Want to upgrade your home and bathroom with some serious style and comfort? These Amazon gadgets combine luxury design with smart functionality, perfect for pampering yourself and simplifying daily life. From spa-inspired tech to elegant essentials, they bring a bit of indulgence to your space. All the links are in the description below. Get ready for a shower that feels completely custom. This shower lets you switch between rainfall, waterfall, tilted rainfall, and a handheld spray with a simple twist. The oversized head gives you soft rainfall or a smooth waterfall, and the LED glow sets the mood instantly. The tilted wall shower uses upgraded 4-hole nozzles that create stronger, gentler streams you can rotate in any direction, and a pressure-balanced mixer keeps the temperature steady so you stay safe and comfortable the whole time. This isn't your ordinary coffee table. It's a full smart hub for your living room. It keeps your drinks perfectly chilled with dual refrigerator drawers, plays music through Bluetooth speakers, and even charges your devices wirelessly. The LED lights sync to your tunes, while the built-in control panel lets you adjust everything right from the tabletop. This isn't just a lantern, it's an atmosphere in your hands. The lantern glows with 3 elegant light modes, from a flickering candlelight to a cozy amber or bright warm white. A simple twist lets you set the perfect mood, whether for bedtime, dinner, or an evening outdoors. Lightweight, rechargeable, and water-resistant, it brings calm, warmth, and beauty wherever you take it. Bring the cozy glow of a fireplace to any room without the heat. This flame effect aroma diffuser releases a gentle mist while flickering with 7 mesmerizing colors. Add a few drops of your favorite essential oil, and your space instantly feels calm and refreshed. It runs whisper quiet for up to 8 hours, then shuts off automatically when the water runs low. Perfect for bedtime, yoga, or simply unwinding after a long day. Say goodbye to scooping forever. This self-cleaning litter box automatically separates waste into a sealed, odor-proof compartment, keeping your home fresh. A wide 12-inch entry makes it comfortable for cats of all sizes, while smart sensors stop cleaning instantly if your pet is nearby. You can even control it from an app, set schedules, and get maintenance alerts. Who knew dessert could double as playtime? This soft-shell ice cream ball lets you make homemade ice cream just by tossing it around. Add your ingredients on one side, ice and salt on the other, then shake or roll it for 25 minutes of fun. When you're done, scoop out a pint of creamy goodness. It's a sweet mix of exercise, creativity, and dessert magic. Folding clothes feels endless until you let a robot do it for you. This laundry folding machine takes shirts, blouses, and pants, pulls them in automatically, and spits out crisp, folded stacks at the bottom. No buttons, no setup. Just feed it one by one and let it work its magic. It's designed for everyday clothes from kids to adults. No more dragging around a bulky vacuum just to clean the basics. This ultra-light upright weighs less than a gallon of milk, but it's tough where it counts. The 720-watt motor sucks up dirt, hair, and dust from both carpets and hard floors with ease. You also get built-in tools for corners and furniture, plus a dust cup that empties in seconds. And the washable filter? That's just saving you money. Where art meets acoustics, this speaker turns sound into sculpture. Wrapped in natural oak and precision aluminum, it delivers rich, room-filling audio that adapts to your space and mood. Whether you want immersive surround or focused sound, it adjusts effortlessly with a tap or through the app. Designed to sense your presence and awaken as you approach, it's more than a speaker. It's a statement piece that sounds as beautiful as it looks. Hot days just got a serious upgrade. This frozen drink maker uses advanced rapid chill tech to turn your favorite liquids, juice, coffee, soda, or even cocktails into perfectly smooth slushies without needing ice. Just pour, pick a setting, and let it do the rest. You can even tweak the thickness for your perfect texture. It's effortless, fun, and keeps your icy creations ready for hours. Turn your backyard into a glowing pathway of light. These solar deck lights charge by day and automatically glow at dusk, casting a soft, warm light that guides every step. They're waterproof, tough, and built to handle rain or snow without fading. Easy to mount on stairs, fences, or patios, no wiring needed. You'll love how effortlessly they add both safety and charm to your outdoor space. Who needs a spa when your shower can do it all? This wall-mounted electric back scrubber spins, exfoliates, and massages, reaching every spot you can't. The adjustable height makes it easy for anyone to use, and the wide rotating brush covers your whole back in seconds. It's waterproof, detachable for charging, and safe for all skin types. Smooth, clean, and refreshed without lifting a finger. Pop open wine effortlessly like a pro. This automatic corkscrew starts as soon as it touches the cork, pulls it out, and even ejects it when done. No buttons, no effort. The rechargeable battery handles over 30 bottles on a single charge, making it perfect for parties or quiet evenings at home. It works on all cork types and even includes a built-in foil cutter. Sleek, cordless, and fun to use. It's a must-have for any wine lover. Healthy eating just got smarter. This digital kitchen scale doesn't just weigh your food, it tracks what's in it. Sync it with its free app to log calories, macros, and up to 19 nutrients so you always know what you're eating. Its sleek stainless steel surface is easy to clean, and precision sensors ensure every gram counts. Perfect for meal prep, fitness tracking, or mindful eating every day. Some messes love to hide, but this brush finds them fast. With a slim, angled head and stiff bristles, it dives deep into grout lines, corners, window tracks, and other tight spots that larger tools miss. It's tough on grime, but easy on your hands, thanks to a comfy, non-slip handle. Hang it up when you're done. It barely takes any space. One small brush, a whole lot of cleaning power. Here's a soap case that actually solves soap problems. It mounts on the wall, drains excess water, and keeps your soap from turning into a soggy mess. The lid flips open to a neat 90 degrees and shields your bar from splashes in the shower. Plus, the whole thing comes apart for easy cleaning. Whether it's face soap, hand soap, or that fancy scented bar, you've got a clean, dry spot to keep it. Hate cleaning windows? Let a robot handle it. This smart window cleaner clings to glass with strong suction and maps out the most efficient path using built-in AI. It sprays, scrubs, and glides across every inch, even right up to the edges, leaving behind a streak-free shine. Dual water jets and microfiber pads power through dust and smudges. Use the remote to control everything from your couch. Pool cleaning without lifting a finger? That's exactly what this smart robotic vacuum delivers. It glides across your pool floor, walls, and even the water line, scrubbing twice for a deeper clean. When the job's done, or the battery runs low, it parks itself at the surface so you can grab it without diving in. The wireless charging dock keeps things tidy, and with up to 4 hours of cleaning time, your pool stays crystal clear with zero effort from you. Say goodbye to sloshing dirty mop water everywhere. This spin mop system keeps clean and dirty water completely separate, so your floors only get the fresh stuff. The microfiber head handles both wet spills and dry dust, and it swivels 360 degrees to catch every corner. The bucket has built-in scrapers that remove hair and grime with no hand contact. You just mop, spin, and relax. It handles the rest. Elevate your cooking to restaurant-level precision. This SousVide machine gently circulates water to cook food evenly, while keeping all the flavor and nutrients locked in. The quiet 1,100-watt motor heats quickly, and the bright LED display makes it easy to set exact temperatures and times. Clip it to any pot, adjust with the intuitive dial, and walk away while it works its magic. Mornings just got smarter. This digital toaster brings cafe-level precision right to your kitchen counter. The touchscreen lets you pick your perfect shade of golden crispness with a simple tap. No guessing needed. Whether it's bread, bagels, or waffles, smart sensors adjust heat and time automatically for flawless results. Each side works independently, so everyone gets their toast just the way they like it. Sleek, fast, and ridiculously easy to clean. Meet the coffee machine that thinks like a barista. This all-in-one brewer grinds, weighs, and pours your coffee with precision, just how you like it. Choose from full automation or take control with manual settings to craft your perfect cup. The built-in scale and smart app make every brew consistent and easy. From bean to mug, it's pure coffee magic at the push of a button. Why settle for an ordinary faucet when you can have one that moves like magic? This sleek matte black faucet rotates a full 1,080 degrees, letting you aim the water exactly where you need it. No more bending or splashing. It's got 2 water modes, a soft stream for gentle washing and a powerful spray for quick rinses. The single handle makes temperature control effortless. Durable, modern, and ridiculously easy to install. You'll wonder how you lived without it. Turn your room into a personal planetarium with this stunning galaxy projector. Its 4-megapixel HD lens paints sharp, lifelike stars and planets right on your walls and ceiling. With over 20 preset scenes and thousands of combinations, you can drift through galaxies, meteor showers, or calming nebulae in seconds. Voice control through Alexa or the app lets you change the mood hands-free. Whether it's for stargazing, sleep, or just pure wonder, this projector brings the universe home to you. The future of bathroom comfort is here, and it's smarter than you think. This advanced toilet opens automatically as you walk up and closes when you're done. No hands needed. The built-in bidet cleans gently with adjustable warm water and air drying, while the heated seat keeps you cozy year-round. At night, a soft glow light guides your way. Quiet, clean, and completely effortless. Meet the air purifier that thinks for you. This smart 3-in-1 system cleans, heats, and cools, covering an entire home in fresh, purified air. With built-in sensors and AI tracking, it follows your movements and adjusts airflow automatically, so you're always surrounded by clean comfort. Its 4-layer filter removes dust, smoke, pollen, and even microscopic particles for 99.9% pure air. Whisper quiet yet powerful. It keeps your space cozy, fresh, and perfectly balanced day or night. Your mornings just got a serious upgrade. This super automatic espresso machine makes every cup exactly how you like it, from rich espresso to frothy cappuccinos with any type of milk. Scan coffee, QR codes to unlock barista-approved settings and enjoy expert-level brews at home. The app remembers your favorites, and you can even schedule it to wake and brew automatically. Say goodbye to bending over with a dustpan ever again. This touchless vacuum automatically sucks up dirt, pet hair, and crumbs the second you sweep near it. Built-in sensors detect motion and activate powerful suction instantly. No buttons, no hassle. It's perfect for kitchens, salons, or anywhere you want spotless floors without effort. Just sweep, and it does the rest, fast, clean, and totally hands-free. Washing produce just got a high-tech twist. Drop this little gadget into a bowl of water, and it uses ion purification to clean fruits, veggies, grains, even meat, without soap or scrubbing. It runs wirelessly and shuts off automatically after each 10-minute cycle. No cords, no chemicals, and no mess. Just fresh, clean food that's ready to enjoy. Bonus, it charges wirelessly and fits right in your kitchen drawer. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.